In the world of ultra-luxury SUVs, few names command as much respect and admiration as Maybach. And for 2026, the Mercedes-Maybach GLS 600 arrives as a statement of elegance, power, and sophistication, redefining what it means to travel in true first-class comfort. From the very first glance, the GLS 600 exudes authority. Its signature chrome grille, adorned with vertical slats, and the iconic Maybach emblem immediately distinguishes it from anything else on the road. The gleaming chrome details, the seamless lines, and the commanding stance create an aura that's both confident and graceful, the kind of presence that turns heads without even trying. Every curve and contour of the 2026 GLS 600 has been sculpted with purpose. The new aerodynamic enhancements give the SUV a smoother, more fluid silhouette, while subtle chrome accents around the windows and bumpers emphasize its refined luxury. It's not just a vehicle, it's a moving work of art. But it's when you open the door that the true essence of Maybach begins to unfold. Step inside, and you're welcomed by a world where craftsmanship and innovation coexist in perfect harmony. The cabin is a sanctuary of serenity, wrapped in the finest Napa leather, genuine wood trims, and polished metal finishes. Every surface feels handcrafted. Every stitch tells a story of precision and care. The 2026 GLS 600 offers a first-class experience for every passenger, but it's the rear seats that define the Maybach philosophy. Here, you don't just sit, you recline. The executive rear seat package transforms your journey into a personal lounge. You have power-adjustable reclining seats with memory function, footrests that extend smoothly, and massage programs designed to melt away every ounce of stress. Ambient lighting surrounds you in soft, customizable colors. The panoramic sunroof bathes the interior in natural light by day, and at night, the Maybach stars seem to twinkle just above you. It's peace, comfort, and luxury in motion. Up front, the driver is greeted by a cockpit that blends technology and sophistication. The twin 12.3-inch displays create a digital command center that responds to your every move. The latest MBUX system uses artificial intelligence to learn your preferences from your favorite seat temperature to your preferred driving mode. And with the new Maybach mode, the GLS 600 optimizes suspension, steering, and power delivery to ensure the smoothest, quietest ride possible. The result is an experience so refined you might forget you're even moving. Under the hood, the 2026 GLS 600 continues its tradition of effortless power. A handcrafted 4.0-liter twin turbocharged V8 engine delivers an impressive 550 horsepower and 538 pound-feet of torque, paired with a 48-volt mild hybrid EQ boost system that adds an extra 21 horsepower when needed. This means instant acceleration, smooth transitions, and a level of performance that feels as majestic as it sounds. The 9GTRO-NIC automatic transmission ensures every shift is seamless, while the 4MAT-IC all-wheel drive system intelligently distributes power to each wheel for ultimate control, no matter the terrain. But the real magic lies in the ride quality. Thanks to the AIRMAT, IC suspension and EACT IV EBOD, YCONTROL, the Maybach GLS doesn't just glide over the road, it anticipates it. Using advanced sensors, the system scans the surface ahead, adjusting each wheel individually to counteract bumps and body roll. The result is a floating sensation, a ride so smooth it feels like you're traveling on air. Every journey in the GLS 600 is a symphony of silence. The engineers have achieved near-perfect sound insulation, minimizing wind and road noise. Even the engine's growl is tuned to deliver a deep, refined tone, powerful yet restrained, like a whisper of strength. Maybach has always been about personalization, and the 2026 GLS 600 takes it to a new level. Customers can choose from exclusive two-tone exterior finishes, bespoke interior themes, and an array of fine materials, including piano black lacquer, open-pore walnut, and hand-polished metal accents. Every Maybach is tailor-made to reflect the personality of its owner. The Burmester high-end 3D surround sound system transforms the cabin into a concert hall. With 27 speakers and over 1,600 watts of power, it delivers an audio experience so immersive you can feel every note as if the artist were performing live inside the SUV. Safety, as always, is a top priority for Mercedes-Maybach. The 2026 model includes a suite of advanced driver assistance systems, from Active Distance Assist DISTRO, NIC, and Active Steering Assist to automatic emergency braking and lane-keeping functions. The GLS 600 doesn't just protect, it predicts, ensuring that every drive is not only luxurious, but also secure. The exterior lighting is another masterpiece. The new digital light headlights project over 1 million micromirrors, allowing for unparalleled precision and illumination. They adapt dynamically to the road ahead, guiding you through darkness with elegance and intelligence. In every detail, from the hand-stitched Maybach logo on the headrests to the soft closed doors that seal you in complete tranquility, the 2026 Mercedes-Maybach GLS 600 embodies the philosophy of luxury, elevated. It's more than transportation, it's an experience. It's not about getting from point A to point B, it's about how you feel in between. For those who demand nothing but the best, for those who value silence as much as speed, and for those who understand that true luxury is not shouted but whispered, the Maybach GLS 600 stands alone. It represents the pinnacle of modern automotive luxury, where technology meets craftsmanship, and where every moment behind the wheel feels timeless. The 2026 Mercedes-Maybach GLS 600 isn't just a vehicle you drive, it's one you arrive in. It's an expression of success, refinement, and ultimate comfort. Because in the world of Maybach, luxury isn't defined by what you have, it's defined by how it makes you feel. And this is luxury perfected.